Hello, Reading Group 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get your paper ready because we're going to do some more spelling practice today. So you just need a sheet of notebook paper, and we're going to fold it in half long ways on the long side. And then you're going to fold it in half again on the long side and then fold it in half again. So I've folded it 3 times on the long side. Then you're going to unfold it and put the holes on this side, because this is the side we write on a notebook paper, is with the holes on this side. Put your name and today's date at the top, because we need to know if you're going to take a picture of this and turn it in, then I need to know your name and your date, okay? So that I can show that you turned in work for this week. Okay. So you can number 1 to 10, but depending on the length of our video and how long it takes me to get through it, we may not get all 10 words done, but that's okay. So you're going to number 1 to 10, skipping a line, skip a line, skip a line, skip a line between each one, okay? But skip this first line. Then what the kids are used to using in my classroom is spelling papers that have this spelling house, and we reference the rooms inside the spelling house. So we're going to kind of recreate our own on this notebook paper. So in this first fold, after the red line, this first fold, go ahead and trace that fold and the next fold and the next fold. So you're going to trace these 3 folds in the paper. And then at the top, you can just draw 2 little lines to look like the roof on our house. And if you want to help the children see the words a little bit easier, you can put a little chimney so that it looks like a house. So for problem number 1, or word number 1, we're going to be referencing the rooms inside the house. So this is the front room, the middle room, and the back room. And I talk about the different rooms in the house and where we put the letters and our friends and all of that. Okay, so for the first 5 words, we're going to do simply a review, okay? So we're just going to review whether they hear the O sound. Do you hear our friends O? Now, who are our friends that say O? O says his name, but he can't say his name without his friend, so who is his friend? That's right, A. So we put them together in the middle room. Okay, so if you hear the friends in the word that I give you, you're going to put them in the middle room. If you do not hear the friends in the word I give you, I want you to put a big X just like this, okay? You're just going to be doing it on your notebook paper. Okay, so let's do word number 1. Word number 1, listen to the whole word. Word number 1 is toad. Toad. Do you hear the friends in toad? Okay, so if you hear the friends in toad, beside number 1, you're going to put the friends right here in the middle room. Okay, word number 2. Word number 2 is coat. Coat. Do you hear the friends? Watch me drag my finger. Coat. Do you hear the friends? Coat. If you hear the friends, beside number 2, put them in the middle room. If you do not hear the friends, remember, we put an X right there in the middle room, so you would just put an X. So you're either going to put the friends or you're going to put an X just like that. That's what it's going to look like on your notebook paper. Okay, so word number 1 was toad. Word number 2 is coat. Word number 3 is loaf. Loaf. Do you hear the friends in loaf? If you hear the friends, put them in the middle room. Okay, word number 4 is goal. Goal. You want to score a goal in the soccer game. Let's try it. Goal. Did you hear the friends in the middle room? Put them in the middle room if you heard them. Word number 5 is pale. 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 Did you hear the friends? Oh, in the middle of pale. If you hear the friends, put them down. If you don't hear the friends, remember, put a big X. Okay, so that was our warm-up. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to give you word number 6, and you're going to put the friends down if you hear the friends, or you're going to put an X. But then if you hear the friends, I want you to figure out what sound do you hear in the front room. So we're going to do word number 6 together. You're doing it on your notebook paper, and I'm going to do it on here. So word number 6 is goat. Goat. Let's drag our finger and see if we hear the friends. Goat. Goat. Did we hear the friends? If so, put them down. Now let's go back to this front room. What sound do we hear in the front room? Goat. Goat. What sound, what letter makes the g sound? We're going to put the g sound in the front room. Goat. What sound do we hear back here? Goat. That's right, we hear this sound. So we're going to put that sound back there at the end. So now we have spelt the word goat. Very good. Okay, let's move on and let's try word number 7. Word number 7 is foal. Foal. A foal is a baby horse. Let's see if we hear it. Foal. Did you hear the friends or not? Foal. Put the friends down in the middle room. Remember, we always write our friends first. Foal. Now, let's go back. If you heard the friends, fill in the front room. Foal. What sound do we hear? Foal. What sound did you hear back here in the back room? Foal. Okay, so you should have the whole word written now. Foal. Word number 8. Word number 8 is seed. Seed. Do we hear the friends? Let's try it. Seed. Did the friends make the right sound or the wrong sound? Seed. If they made the wrong sound, put this and you're done. You don't have to fill in the other rooms. Word number 9 is load. Load. Let's try it. Load. Did the friends make the right sound? If they did, put them in the middle room first. When you have them in the middle room, we're going to come back over here and do load. What sound do we hear right here? Load. Okay, fill in these outside rooms to spell load. All right, word number 10 is coal. Coal. We use coal to make hamburgers on a grill. Coal. Did you put the friends in the middle room or did you put an X? Which one do you hear? Coal. Coal. Okay, if you heard the friends, fill in the other rooms to spell coal. If you did not hear the friends, leave these 2 rooms empty. Coal. Okay, good job. Remember, if I went too fast for you, you can always go back and pause the video and go back and listen to the word that you need again, okay? All right, so that was our spelling practice. We're going to call it for a lesson. That's all we're going to do for today. I'm going to give you some reading that you can practice and some activities that you can do with reading for the rest of today. But I would like for you to take a picture of your spelling activity that you finished and send me that picture, okay? All right.